watching. I'm just going to show you guys the correct way to shim a door. Some people have no clue about it, so I'm just going to go over it with you guys real quick. And right here we have a door. Say you install your door. Okay, you got your door installed, but pieces are rubbing here and there, and your crack is off. So what you're going to do is put one shim in this way and one shim in that way. By doing that, you're able to give it play. Say I needed to squeeze this more, I would bang on one of these in or out. And when you got them in place, you can use a liquid nails on the inside, or you can screw it in here. The correct way would probably be to put some screws in here. Then you would patch up the holes by doing so. And then you got your shims in place and you're all set. Right now, this door, the homeowner could not get it in correctly, and he was stumped. So I came and helped him, charged him $100, and I put all the shims in, just a quick fix. He just thought that he had to tear the whole thing out. I told him, no, you gotta get shims. He had no clue what to do. So right now this door, as you can see, closes and shuts perfectly, no rubbing on any side, and I got that gap that I want all the way around the door, and that's about it. And that's how you install a door and put your shims in place. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helped you out. Give me a thumbs up.